pussy so good, better than a gold chain. My pussy so good, you want a tattoo with my name. My pussy so good, you wait outside in the rain.
I noticed the sound system like tat on your thighs.
Yeah, I got it in Trinidad, but that is a whole another like thing about me, which I feel like Jamaican TikTok has not discovered yet.
So you have a song.
Good pussy girl, rock.
You're talking to me. My pussy so good, better than a gold chain. My pussy so good, you want a tattoo with my name. My pussy so good, you wait outside in the rain. My pussy so good, you want me to take your surname. But if you get a good pussy girl, what you gonna do? So many men waiting, you have to go in the queue because this pussy only get 5-star reviews. When you finish, I know you're gonna say thank you.
You've lived many lives.
I've lived many lives.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you differently now.
Yeah, so Mavada, I'm waiting. Bring me to the studio.